My name is Alessandro Vincerelli. I am a professor of computational social intelligence at the University of Glasgow, and my research interest is to build AI technologies that are capable to make sense of the behavior of people in the same way as we humans make sense of the behavior of others. Today we introduce students to a very important field in what we call social AI, so the type of AI that deals with human behavior, which is called social robotics, which essentially tries to make robots socially intelligent, which means capable to understand the behavior of people in terms of social or psychological phenomena, so trying to understand whether people are happy, sad, friendly, hostile, etc., but also, very importantly, and this is what we did today, to let the robot express emotions. So essentially they've programmed a little robot, which is very simple but very expressive, to display the 6 basic emotions, right? Sadness, anger, disgust, fear, happiness, surprise, etc. It is important to give machines the ability to be social actors because we as humans are totally wired to participate in social interaction. Our emotional, social, psychological aspect play an important role, especially in interaction. And so we started as a community to explore this dimension and to have machines that are capable to understand the inner life of users and machines that are capable to express an inner life like if they are humans. Typically, the computing community tends to consider psychology, sociology, human sciences as a kind of soft sciences that are not really serious, so there was a little bit of hostility at the beginning, but over the years the community has grown. It is a very interdisciplinary community because we work a lot with psychologists, sociologists, all people in all types of human sciences, psychiatrists more and more to deal with mental health issues. And so now it is a very established domain. It is widely recognized. It has its own community. It has its own conferences, its own events, etc. And so now it is widely recognized as an important area in artificial intelligence. So from this point of view, it's going to be part of the more general AI development, but wherever there are machines and humans working together, somewhat you are going to have this type of domains working. In particular, the first part of the latest, let's say, big explosion of AI, 2000 to 2015, the idea was, if you remember in the public discourse, AI is going to replace people. And gradually it became clear that that was only a dream, an idea. And now actually I think in the last 5 to 10 years and for the next 10, 15 years, the real point is how are we going to bring AI and people together so that we can get the best from both sides and together do something that individually cannot be done. You need to establish an interaction. If you want to have the two sides collaborating effectively, you really need to establish some kind of common ground for interaction between the two. And that's where social AI works, basically.